got windows that go up. Everything goes up and down in this bad boy. You know, they say size doesn't matter. Well, it does when it goes in 4 different directions. You know she likes it like that. It's always about the angle on your plow. Look at that sexy dump rump. That goes down and up.
tell you a story. One Friday, I had to tell the landlady I lost my job. She said, that don't confront me, as long as I get my money next Friday. Now next Friday come, I didn't get the rent, and out the door I went. So I goes to the landlady. I said, you let me slide. I have the rent for it tomorrow, the next day I don't know. So I said, let me slide it on, you know, people. I notice when I come home in the evening, she ain't got nothing nice to say to me. But for 5 years, she was so nice. Lord, she was lovey-dovey. I come home one particular evening. The landlady said, you got the rent money yet? I said, no. Can't find no job. Therefore, I ain't got no money to pay the rent. She said, I don't believe you're trying to find no job. Said, I seen you today. You were standing on a corner, leaning up against a post. I said, but I'm tired. I've been walking all day. She said, that don't confront me. As long as I get my money next Friday. Now next Friday I come out, didn't have the red. And out the door.
Like a boss. Like a boss. Working heat, AC, radio, phone, volume control. Okay, cruise control. When you want to pump it up, you put the body up. Automatic headlight, automatic windows.
Can I stay with you maybe a couple days?
Up and down.
He said, let me go ask my wife.
Pretend you're in a spaceship.
We come out of the house.
Houston, we don't have any problems because we've got an F-350. Ford does not stand for Found on Road Dead. We all know Ford stands for Ford Motor Company. And in case you still weren't sure, listen to this. We got the mic kicked up. Put it right in the middle. Hear everything. Key.
And then she was so nice.
Pretend you got a little blade on you. You don't. Listen. Always be inside the cab. No air on. See, you turn it off. There's nothing. Plow up.
Slip on out
Double
the back
tap
door.
up. Double tap
Down
down.
the streets I go. She hollering about the front end. She'll be lucky to get in the back end. She ain't gonna get none of it. So I stop in a local bar, you know, people. I go to the bar. I'll rent my coat.
And listen to this bad boy in the cab.
Look, man, come down here. You got down there. So what you want? One bourbon, one scotch, one beer. Well, I ain't seen my baby since I don't know when. I've been drinking bourbon, whiskey, scotch and gin.
You've got that sexy 3-ball trailer hitch. Gives you that extra edge, if you will. Oh, yeah. Holds coins. We've got USB, power, storage, trailer gear, right? Yeah, trailer brake, gain, plus or minus. More 12-volt power. Goes back there. That's our salt spreader right there. And look at that little hidden area. Oh gosh, so many things can be hidden in there. Such if you're into cooking and you like white powder. Oh yeah, 35,095 miles. Be dropping in photos here of OBD2 reader. We just ran through that. That was all good. Everything's fully functional. One owner, paid off, title in hand. I won't give you a hand, but you can hire me to do that. Thanks for being here. I love you all. Oh. We even still have the Ford Secura code. No, I'm not going to show it to you. That's not how I roll. Occasionally, the driver door does turn into a jar, but you'll have that. There's your 4-wheel drive, 2 high, 4 high, neutral, and 4 low. And you want to get jiggy with it. Yeah, that's it. All right, we are out of here. Thanks for being here. Hope to sell this to you soon.